In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the classification of crystalline solid, that is covalent solid, which is also known as a network solid. In the covalent solids, the constituent particles are generally atoms which belongs to non-metal, or we can say these non-metals are linked together by the covalent bond. For example, diamond is one of the allotropic form of carbon. This is the structure in which each carbon is attached to further 4 other carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the tetrahedral structure, and this arrangement repeated again and again. That is why they are also known as network solid. So we can say diamond, which is a crystalline form, allotropic form of carbon. Each atom is sp3 hybridized, which is tetrahedral, and this network result in 3D structure, 3D network, hence it is called as a network solid. Now because of this 3D network like structure, we can say each carbon is covalently bonded, hence it is a hardest known substance. जो diamond होता है वो hard होता है because of this bonding only, and have high melting point, and at the same time because it do not contain any ion, it is a poor conductor of electricity. But if we discuss the another type allotropic form of carbon, that is a graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity. It is also a network solid. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं network like structure है, ठीक है. Different layer is joined by these weak van der Waals forces. For example, diamond के केस में जहाँ ये 4 covalent bond बना रहा था strong, यहाँ पे ये 3 strong covalent bond बनाता है, and the fourth valency is easily free to move, hence it is a good conductor of electricity. So these are the hexagonal rings, and each carbon here is sp2 hybridized. ठीक है, sp2 hybridized है, और जो fourth valency free है वो free to move है, hence it is a good conductor of electricity. तो it is a major difference between the diamond and graphite. ये आपने class 10th में भी किया हुआ है, ठीक है. So on the basis of structure we explain this. So if generalize their property, so constituent particles are atoms, binding force is covalent bond between them, physical nature they are very hard, melting point because of strong covalent bond they have a high melting point, electrical conductivity they are insulator except graphite, which is a good conductor, and examples if we discuss, then it is a diamond, graphite, quartz, that is SiO2.